Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to install and use the Grammarly add-on for Microsoft Office, and what that will do, it will add some additional functionality to your Office programs as to spelling and grammar checkers in addition to the ones that Office provides. So I found that it would find some things that the Office built-in speller and grammar checker doesn't find, and it's kind of like having a second opinion. So there's a free version and a pay-for version, and I'm going to go over the free version. It doesn't have as many features, but I find it still does a pretty good job at finding mistakes. So once you go to the website, which I'll put in the description, all you have to do is click on download, and it's going to want you to either sign in with your Google or Facebook account, or you can make up an email-based account. And once you do that, you could download it, and I already have that downloaded here. And so what you do is you double-click on the setup file. Get started, pick which Office programs you want to install it for, which is only Word and Outlook. And click on Finish, and it's good to go. And then I have the sample doc here that has a bunch of spelling and grammar errors in it, which we're going to use to demonstrate. So we'll open that up. And then you'll see you have this Grammarly icon here, so you click on that to open the Grammarly tools. And here it shows you the types of mistakes it found, so you could, if you don't want it to check for certain types, you could turn it off and on. And then here's all the premium issues if you want to find advanced issues or do these vocabulary enhancement, look for plagiarism, that kind of thing. And then there's settings, which is just only a couple things you could set here. And so the way it works is it goes through and it scans, so it found 10 critical issues and 4 advanced issues. But that, again, we can't do anything with the advanced ones because we're not paying for it. So you click on it, and let's say, oh, it wants to add a comma here. We could either click on it to accept it, or we could click on the trash can to ignore it. So we're going to accept it. And then our next one, let's say, oh, we want to spell it this way for some strange reason. We're going to add it to dictionary, so it'll accept it and move on. And then once it finishes that section, you click on the down arrow, and it will find the next one. And we'll go ahead and accept that. And sometimes it'll give you 2 different ways that you can fix it. If you want to choose one of those, we're going to do that. Do next. Fix the spelling. Fix the grammar there. Do the next one. Fix the spelling. Fix the spelling. And then we're going to fix the grammar there. And then I found no more issues except for the advanced ones. And then you're good to go. So, like I said, once you have it installed, you'll have it here on your home tab, and then you just click on it and run it, and simple as that. All right, thanks for watching.